Spotlight is a projection texturing system which allows you to modify your textures and project them onto your mesh. Start by opening the texture menu. Click the texture window here to select a preloaded texture. Click the Lightbox texture button here to open up Lightbox's texture tab. Double click to load textures. Click the import button here to load a texture from a location on your computer. To activate Spotlight, you must select a texture. Next, click the Add to Spotlight button here. Your texture along with the Spotlight wheel will appear in your viewport. Open the texture menu and repeat the process to add additional images to Spotlight. The Spotlight ring menu will move wherever you click. Click on the image to select it. Click and drag anywhere outside the orange circle to move your image. Click and drag inside the orange circle to reposition your Spotlight wheel menu. Snap to corners or center of images to use as an anchor point for use with the Spotlight wheel. Drag and snap to corresponding points visible on your mesh when Spotlight is enabled. Click and dragging outside your images will move all images. Place your cursor over each option to see its name and the center. Click and drag in circular motion to rotate your selected image relative to the position of your Spotlight wheel. Scale will resize your image. Press Z key on your keyboard to hide the Spotlight wheel and toggle on projection mode. While in projection mode, you can use sculpting and paint brushes to project your texture onto your mesh. Consider disabling perspective and using the camera lock button here to avoid moving the camera while working. Click and drag the Spotlight radius button here to enable a preview window under your brush of your texture when in projection mode. The Pin Spotlight button will attach your texture to your cursor for projecting. Press Z again to unhide your Spotlight wheel. Press Shift and Z to toggle Spotlight on and off. Opacity will change the transparency of your selected image. Use Fade to blend one image into another when overlay one another. These three buttons will scale and reposition your images neatly on the left of your screen. The front button will send your selected image to the front, and back will send it to the back. Delete will remove your selected image from Spotlight, and Duplicate will create a copy of your image. Flip H will flip your image horizontally, and Flip V will flip your image vertically. Extend H will stretch or crop your image horizontally from the position of your Spotlight wheel. Press Ctrl Z to undo. Extend V will do the same, but vertically. Tile your image both horizontally and vertically using these two buttons. Select your image and move your Spotlight wheel to the side and select the nudge option. Click and drag on your image to push and slide parts of your image. Change your brush size here. Click and drag on the nudge option to undo nudge edits. The clone feature will allow you to sample and clone paint on your texture from the location of your Spotlight wheel. Click and drag the smudge option to smear your texture. Edit your texture with the contrast, hue, and saturation, intensity, and paint features here by selecting and brushing along your texture, or by click, hold, and rotate the spotlight feature in either direction. Use the restore option to either brush over areas to restore your original texture, or click and drag the restore button in a circular fashion to restore the entire texture. This currently only works for these edits on your spotlight wheel. Spotlight is simple, fast, and one of the best tools for painting or texturing your assets in ZBrush.